What is up, guys? Cedar B here, coming at you with a different style of video that I think I'm going to start doing. And this is just going to kind of be a collection of just cool attacks that I'm not going to do any discussion on, strategy, that type of thing, tell you what the attack is, general idea, and then just going to go ahead and let it roll. And hope you guys enjoy it. This is just to kind of showcase some cool attacks, something that you might not see every day. So for the first one, we have Bigg staff, and he's using a Skelly donut, LaLoon. So hope you guys enjoy, and until next time, Cedar B out.